Hello students, good afternoon. In last session students, we studied place value of the given digit. Okay, now in this session, we will learn about the number just before and number just after. Okay, now can you tell me the number after to the number just after 120, 120? Yes? Correct. Number just after is 121. Yes. So, can you tell me now the number just after 1999? Yes, can you tell me? Okay, no problem. Students, remember this thing, that is, if we have to take out number just after or number just before to the given number, so if number just after to any number is greater by 1 and number just before to any number is smaller by 1. Okay, means there is a difference of only one digit, one number. Okay, that means see, if suppose here 120 is the given number, 120 is the given number, and the number just after to it, that is 121, means see, this 121 is greater by 1, means greater by 1, bigger by 1 here. And if we have to take out number just before to the 120, so here we will write 190. That means it is smaller by 1. Like this, if we have to write number just before after to 1999, so here the number just after 1999 is 2000. Okay, and if suppose we have to write number just before, then 99 minus 1, that is 98. 1998 is the number just before to 1999. Okay, so remember these things. If the number just after to any number, then it is bigger by 1, and number just before to any number, that is it is smaller by 1. Okay, so let's start with the help of example. Means bigger and smaller means what? Here we have to add 1 for the before number, after number, and here we have to minus 1 for the before number. We have to minus from this one. We have to minus 1 from this number. Then we will get the number just before, and we have to add 1. Then you will get number after to the given number. Okay, so here from exercise, there are some examples are given in your exercise in your textbook. Okay, so here table is given. You should draw that table. Firstly, write down the example, that is, write the number, just after and the number just before. The given number. Okay, now here, like this table is given, number, then number just before, and number just after. Okay, like this we have to solve this question. Okay, now you can see here number is given in this table, and then in front of that you have to write number just before and number just after. Okay, now see what is the number is given. 2999. Now number just before we have to write. Just now I took one example, that is, just now I have taken an example 1999. Okay, so here only at 1000 place 2 is there. So here number just before 2999 minus 1, 98. Then number just after to the given number, here 2999. So if we add one more in it, then we will get the number 3000. Okay, next number is that 3800. Now we have to write number just before and number just after. Now 3800 is there. Now you tell me, you studied already 3-digit numbers. Now tell me which is the number just before to the 800? Correct, 799. So that number we have to write here 3799. And number after 800 is there. So which number will come after? Correct, 801. 1. So here 3801. Okay, next number is that 7798. Now it is very simple. Who will tell me the next number? Means number just before, number just after. Okay, here 7797 is the number just before, and number just after 7798 is there. So 99, correct. 99 we have to write here. Okay, so students, like this, remaining 3 examples from this exercise you have to solve for the homework. Okay, now we will see comparison of the number. Okay, now you tell me, if we say comparing, okay, so what do you remember about comparing numbers? Can you tell me? What do you remember about comparing numbers? Yeah, you already have compared the number in last standard, means 3rd standard. Comparison of 3-digit numbers. Yes, means smaller number and greater number. Okay. If suppose I will give you an example here. 328 and here 462. Now tell me, which is the bigger number? 328 or 462? Correct. This is the bigger number. Means we can put the symbol like this here. Yes, 328 is smaller than 462. Now, how we can say that this number is bigger and this number is smaller one? Okay, here, see, when we have to compare the number, that time what we have to do? We have to compare the given digits. Okay, compare the given digits. Here, the number which having more hundreds means greater hundreds. In this number, this 462 is having greater hundreds. That's why this number is the bigger number. Okay, that means, see, this is about 3-digit number. If we take 4-digit number, then how we can observe, how we can say that the number is greater or number is smaller? Same thing is there only. There also, that is, if the number which is having greater 1000, okay, that number is bigger one. Okay, and if the both places is having same number, then what we have to do? Yes, we have to take next place to compare that digit. Okay, and if that number, that place means next place means 100 place. If the 100 place is having also same digit, then take the next place, that is tens place. Like this, we have to compare the number, 4-digit and 5-digit number. So, we will see comparing the number, that is, see, it's suppose 4567 and here 4235. This is 4-digit numbers are there. Now tell me, see, the number which is having greater 1000, that number is greater or bigger one. But here, both the numbers having same digit, means both the places of 1000 place having same digit. So what we have to do here? Yes, take next place to compare, that is 100 place. Yes, now see, 5 is here, 500, and here 200. Now compare these two digits, that is, which one is the bigger one, 5 or 2? Correct, 5 is the bigger number. So here we can put the symbol like this, 4567 is greater than 4235. Okay, like this we can solve examples, that is comparison of the given numbers. So here from the exercise you have to write, you have to draw tables which is given in your textbook also. So here exercise complete the question is that complete the comparing the number, give the reading, comparing numbers. Okay. Then exercise. Write down the question. Complete the following table. Complete the following table. Okay, now number smaller and bigger. Draw the table. Here. Now numbers are there, 2123 and 1968. Now these two numbers are given. From this number we have to write smaller number and bigger number. Now tell me, which one is the smaller number and which one is the bigger number? Yes, 2123 is the smaller number. Yes? Correct? No. Okay. I know you are very clever all. So 2123 is bigger number. So here write down. And remaining is the smaller one. So 1968. Because 2000, which number is having greater thousand? This 2123. That's why that number is the bigger number. So next number is that 2342, 2432. Now see the number. Which number is having greater thousand? Both the number is having same thousand. So take next place to compare, that is 100 place. So which number is having greater 100? First or second? Yes, second number is having greater 100. That's why it is bigger number, and this one is the smaller. So here write 2342 is the smaller number and 2432 is the bigger number. Okay, then third example we will solve here. 9542, 9549. Now see the number. Same number at 1000 place. So take next place, that is 100 place. 100 place is having same digit. Yes. Then take next place, that is tens place. Here you can observe tens place is having also same digit. So which place we have to take for the comparison? Yes, correct, unit place. Now see which unit is greater one. Which number is having greater unit? Second or first? Correct. Second number is having greater units. That's why this second number is the bigger number and first 2 is the smaller than 9. That's why this number is smaller one. So 9542 is smaller number and 9549 is bigger number. Like this student, remaining 3 examples which is given in your textbook that you have to solve for the homework. Okay, remaining part of this lesson, that is ascending and descending order, also even and odd numbers. Okay, that we will see in the next session. So see you in the next session. Bye bye.